Majority online bank review. Watch before using. Most people think online banks are all the same, but you won't believe what happens next when you find one designed specifically for immigrants and international workers. Majority is a digital banking app created to help people who are new to the United States manage money, send international transfers, and build financial stability. It offers a debit card, checking account features, mobile banking, and multilingual support, which immediately sets it apart from many traditional banks. The surprising truth about Majority is that it focuses heavily on immigrant communities. The app supports multiple languages and offers international money transfers to dozens of countries at competitive rates. That means sending money back home can be faster and cheaper than using traditional wire services. Most people get this wrong. They think Majority is just another prepaid card. In reality, it functions more like a digital checking account. You can receive direct deposits, pay bills, transfer money, and use your card anywhere major debit cards are accepted. Majority also includes budgeting tools and credit building features that help users improve their financial profile over time. However, it is important to understand that it does not replace a full-service traditional bank for loans, mortgages, or complex investments. Majority is best for newcomers, international workers, and anyone who needs easy international transfers and simple everyday banking. The surprising truth is that the right bank can make a new country feel much more manageable. Subscribe for more honest banking reviews that help you protect your money and build your future.